He wasn't ready for it.
Guys, did you know that glue is the hardest? That's why the bottom is
Well, not dip.
Alright, so
He got mad at me. He's gonna cook the eggs with his disc.
so we learned that fire requires oxygen to burn. As long as there is oxygen available, a flame will have absolutely no problem burning. Of course, we did this with examples. We took the candle and then we took a jar, we inverted it over it, and trapped in the air. What happened to the candle when it was trapped inside? How long did that candle burn?
3 seconds.
Why?
Because there wasn't enough oxygen.
Not enough oxygen, it used up all the oxygen inside that jar. What percent was trapped in here?
21.
21%. So once that 21% of the air was eaten up by the fire, it went out. Then what we did was we took the candle, put it there, put it over, and we surrounded it by water. The fire went out. What happened to the water? The water went up into the jar. Why did the water go up into that jar?
because it wanted to fill up the 21% gas.
Yeah, it was. The atmosphere was trying to get in, but that barrier of water that was around it was pressing down on it all at the same time, causing it to go up into that jar at the exact point where the 21% marker was at. Now we can do the same thing again, except
With an egg.
Yes, we get to cook eggs.
I'm going to take an egg and use that as the lid. Okay, so I'm going to light my torch again. Let me see, which one do I want to use? Ooh, I might want to. I'll try this
Let's
one first.
clean us
Okay,
up and
ready?
get our good hard-boiled egg.
It'd be more of a soft-boiled egg.
Whoa! Can we do that again?
Now,
Is it chicken?
how did that happen?
Looks like chicken.
How did that happen?
The air
Raise your hand. I can't hear. Diego.
Isn't it because like the atmosphere pushed it down?
Why did the atmosphere press it down? Right. I mean, I have this egg right here, right? And I've got it sitting. Why isn't the atmosphere pressing that down?
Because it's trying to fill up the 21% of air.
Right, because right now, this egg is just sitting on here and it's not being pressed down by the atmosphere. Because inside, it is the correct percent. It's 100% on the inside. I close it off, it's 100% on the outside. It's got the same percentages. Now, if you put the fire in there and then you put the egg on top of that, what's the fire doing?
It's sucking it in.
It's not sucking anything.
It's trying to get oxygen.
The oxygen trying to get in.
It's eating up that 21%. Can air get in there? No, because the egg is in the way. So that 21% it's a void in here. It's missing 21% of itself.
Looks like a chicken.
But outside, it's still at 100%. And that air is trying to get in to equal it out. But unfortunately, what's in the way?
The egg.
The egg. This is a hard-boiled egg with the shell off. It's a little bit of pliable. You couldn't do it with the one with the shell, it would shatter. So you put it in there, and then of course just the force going in there. So yes, the atmosphere is pressing down, so it goes in. Now the question